Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to be sharing 5 secret websites to make money online. Yes, so for free. Today we'll be taking a look at the best websites to make money online. I know you will agree with me that in a world where financial security is becoming more and more elusive, making money from the comfort of your home has become a game changer. And this is why there's a rise in the gig economy and online businesses. There are so many ways to earn money online, whether you're looking to get extra money or start a full-blown business. There are so many options that are available, and it can be hard to know the trusted websites to make money on. Yes, to get started, and this is where I come in. Guys, I have done all the research for you. I have compiled a list of the best websites to make money online for free, and I earn a daily income online from some of these platforms. So yes, there is something for everyone on this list. So grab a cup of coffee and make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. Get ready to discover a whole new world of earning potential. So the first one on my list here is Wethy Affiliates. Yes, so have you heard of Wethy Affiliate before? I'm sure you have not. Wethy Affiliates is one of the best websites to make money online for free and build sustainable streams of passive income. Guys, it is an all-inclusive platform that provides you with all the training and resources to easily create and automate a profitable online business. You don't need to have prior online business knowledge or skill for you to earn with this platform. Everything that you need to know to turn whatever interests you into a lucrative business will be provided for you. Unlike most money-making, websites where you only earn some extra cash at best, Wethy Affiliate is designed to actually make you successful. The next app on my list here is Current Rewards. Guys, Current Rewards is a secret website with an app for earning money while listening to music. Yes, do you know you can make money listening to music? I'm sure you're hearing it for the first time. I'm going to be spilling all the tea for you guys me right on this channel. Guys, with this app, you may earn money in other ways. Yes, so additional ways to actually make money include playing video games, yes, and viewing YouTube videos. Do you know that you can earn rewards by listening to songs and engaging in other point earning activities on the website? Yes, you can easily earn $100 like easily within how many minutes on this website if you utilize Current Rewards alongside a couple of other websites that pay you to listen to music or watch videos. You also have the option of either withdrawing your money as gift cards or directly into your PayPal accounts. So depending on your device, the Current Reward website gives you the opportunity to download the app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Now, this app has no geographical limitations, which is good. So you can use it from anywhere in the world. You can use it for money making, yes, from anywhere in the world. It is one of the best secret apps to make money online. The next app on my list is I know you guys are very excited to hear. I'm sure you've never heard it before. If you're new here, introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know your meeting, where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. If you're seeing me for the very first, I also want to say big thank you to my Patreon members. Thank you to all my Patreons. Yes, if you'd like to join my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community means you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can talk about money, business, grants, and everything in between. You have direct and full access to me. So while you're introducing yourselves, make sure you introduce yourself in the comments. My name is Mariam. I'm a wife. I'm based here in California. I drop 3 videos every week on this channel. Make sure that you tune into this channel every single day because there's always something for everyone. Yes, make sure that you don't miss out on all these amazing opportunities that I'm sharing with you guys right here on this channel. You see that I'm working for you guys day and night. I'm not sleeping, no. Yeah, G Masun. And join the moving. If you have not joined the family yet, please go ahead and subscribe, like, and share my videos. So without further ado, let's get right to the next website on my list. I'm sure you've not heard the name of this website before. Yeah, tell me if you don't lie. We don't have liars on this channel. If you have not heard of that channel before, let me know. If you've heard of it too, let me know as well. So the next website on my list here is Mobrog. Yes, guys, Mobrog is a trusted online survey website to make extra money online for free. It is a platform that connects businesses and individuals who are looking to gain valuable insights about products, services, and trends in different industries. It also offers a mobile app that allows you to take surveys on the go. The app is available on both Android and iOS devices, and it can be downloaded for free from the App Store. With the app, you can complete surveys anytime, anywhere, which means that you can earn money even while you're in the bus or waiting in line at the grocery store. I'm telling you, Moblog is a legitimate way to make money online. You can earn a decent income by participating in surveys and sharing your opinion on the website. The amount of money you can earn varies depending on the length and complexity of the surveys. Yes, so they can pay you good money with this app. The next one on my list here is Idle Empire. Yes, Idle Empire is a simple website to make money online for free. It is unquestionably a great GPT site to join. You can make money on these sites by taking surveys, by watching videos, and perform other simple tasks. Yes, on these websites there are lots of accessible paid activities. Yes, so you can withdraw your money, yes, in Bitcoin or even other cryptocurrencies. You can also withdraw directly into your PayPal account in form of gift cards or even in form of cash. It allows users from nearly all countries, yes, but those from US, UK, Canada, Australia, and Germany have better earning opportunities. Idle Empire is a great secret website to earn cryptocurrencies by doing surveys and other micro tasks. The next website on my list here, or app, is Respondant, guys. Respondent is a research recruiting website that recruits high quality participants for research. This platform is an awesome place for you to make money because they are one of the few platforms that offer high paying surveys that pay $100 per session or more. So you can sign up on Respondent and some other legit platforms of its kind. Yes, it's arguably the best way to make money, the most amount of money, by sharing your opinion. You know, on this channel I will always spill the tea for you guys. I will spill. In my next video, I'm going to share with you secret websites that no one will ever share with you. You see, I've said it so many times. You can make money watching videos. You can make money playing games. You can make money doing surveys online. You can make money giving your own opinions about products and services. There are so many ways. Even I've said it so many times as well on this channel that your phone is a device that can change your life. As long as you're not just watching movies and not getting paid. If you love movies, why not get paid? Watching movies and get paid for it. Review these movies and get paid, get good money from it. And you can also get, do you know that you can also get free tickets to go to the theater to watch trailers? Yes, to watch trailers embedded in movies. Yes. So there are so many ways to make money. If you'd like to also see more money making strategies on this channel, please let me know. And if you also want to see grants videos on this channel, please let me know as well. In case you're wondering, grants are actually free money that you don't have to pay back. There are some websites that give you free money, yes, where rich people actually give out free money, money for free. And there are also websites where you can make do a lot of crowdfunding. Yes, people will just donate to your cause, whatever cost it is. People donate money for you to travel. People donate money for you to just live a life of your dreams. I'm telling you, they pay you for anything. So if you want me to compile the list of these websites, also let me know as well. I am working for you guys. I'm rooting for you, and I'm constantly researching opportunities that will help you become the best version of yourself. Like I said, if you need me to do research, let me know in the comments. See this channel as a safe space. It's not just my channel, it is your channel, it is our channel. So please feel free on this channel to express yourself. I'll be more than happy to research all of these amazing opportunities and resources just for you guys. And that is it for today, guys. Making money, like I said, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And that takes us to the end of today's video. I don't think I've introduced myself yet. Okay, while you are introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. Make sure that you tune into this channel every day. There's always something. There's a new opportunity, new resource that you need to be aware of, that you need to take advantage of. So guys, that is it for today. I hope to see you guys in my next video. If you have not joined the family, click on the subscribe button and like this video, and do well to share with your friends. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every single time I drop a new video. When you turn on your notification bell, click on all so that you get all notifications every single time that I publish a new video right here on this channel. Alright guys, that is it for today. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I'm so proud of you. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.